You have been told investing helps save taxes, but with the new tax regime, it doesn't make sense anymore. Your HR says new tax regime le lo, simpler system, and you will pay less taxes. And even the government wants you to switch to the new tax regime.
Simpler taxation regime होना चाहिए.
So, should you still invest? Let's break it down. A lot of people started investing only because they wanted to save tax. Bought life insurance, took a health policy, started an ELSS SIP. But now, with the new tax regime, all those deductions are gone. So naturally, you might ask, if I'm not getting any tax benefit, is it even worth investing in these things anymore? Especially when your company is already providing you benefits like medical cover. This is Raj. He's 25 years old and earns 10 lakh rupees per year. Under the old regime, he used to invest up to 1.5 lakh rupees under ATC, up to 25,000 rupees under ATD, and up to 50,000 rupees in NPS. This brought down his taxable income and saved him over 10,000 rupees in taxes. But now, under the new tax regime, he loses all these deductions due to investing. So should Raj be worried? No, because even if Raj gets a promotion and starts earning 12.73 lakh rupees, he still won't be paying any tax because his salary is still below the tax bracket. This means that Raj doesn't have any incentive to invest. So, should he still invest? See, first of all, saving on tax shouldn't be your only incentive to invest. Because if you don't have tax benefits now, investment gives you long-term benefits. Like ELSS funds may not save on tax now, but they still help you build long-term wealth. NPS still secures your retirement. Your future self will thank you. Health insurance still shields you from emergencies that can wipe out years of savings. Investment is like the helmet you wear when you ride on your two-wheeler. You don't wear it to save yourself from the cops, but you wear it to protect yourself. At least that's what you should be doing. Remember, a good investor doesn't invest just to save tax. They invest to build freedom, stability, and peace of mind. So yes, you can still save tax by investing if you're in the old regime. But if you're not, you should still invest. I'm Kanishka Gupta and this is Invested by Fires. Share this with your confused colleagues and I will see you in the next one.